Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Vanessa and I am a stay-at-home mom to one little girl who is almost a year and a half old. I can't believe it. Time is going by so fast. But today I wanted to share with you guys what our typical nighttime routine looks like. Most days look about the same, but I don't know, sometimes it's a little bit different. But this is just a typical day, starting at about, I don't know, I'd call it around 4 o'clock. I usually like to make sure that the dishwasher is empty. That way we have a clean kitchen to start getting dinner ready. Ellie loves to help me unload the dishwasher. You can see her walking over there. She loves to unload her little plates and her cups and things, so it's really sweet to have her help me. So yeah, we're just doing that right here. And then we'll move on to Ellie's favorite part of the nighttime routine coming up next.
Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream.
Moving on to Ellie's favorite part of the nighttime routine, and honestly my favorite part too, is playing with some toys. We just got a new play kit from Lovevery. Thank you so much, Lovevery, for gifting this play kit to us. We are so grateful. We love you guys so much. These play kits are so beautiful, you guys. They're so beautifully made. They're organic, they're sustainable, and they take the guesswork out of trying to figure out what toys are appropriate for your child. They change so much, don't they? Like, especially in that first year, second year, like I just feel like Ellie is changing every couple of months, and she's interested in new things every couple of months, and she's looking for new things to explore and to learn, and these toys do just that. They challenge them in just the right way, and they feel appropriate for where she's at. This play kit has been super fun. She's really been loving all the toys in it, really. She definitely loves the cars that go down the ramp. She loves to see how they go zigzag, and then we race them to see which one comes out first, which is so sweet. She also has really figured out the threading the needle that she's doing right here in this clip. She's gotten really good at it over the past couple of weeks, and she loves to thread the needle and then put it all back in the bag, and she walks around the house with the little bag of toys. It's so sweet. And then we also love this little container with her the little insects, and we've been making noises for each of the insects too, which is cute. She loves a bumblebee. If you're interested in checking out Lovevery, I will have all of the information about the play kits in my description bar down below. This would make such a great gift if you know someone having a baby or for a birthday. To get them a subscription to the play kits would be such an awesome gift because it just keeps on giving. I'll make sure I have all that information down below, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below and I'd be happy to answer any specific questions you have. Now let's move on to dinner time. After my husband gets home, usually one of us will cook dinner while the other one plays with Ellie. Tonight we had these really yummy tacos. They're blackened shrimp that we do on the cast iron with chopped cabbage and a little bit of chipotle aioli. I'll put a little pic right here to see what we had. They're super easy and really delicious. Ellie likes them too, which is great. So usually my husband will give Ellie a bath and I'll clean up the kitchen, or at least try to get as much cleaned up as I can before we put her down to sleep. So he's just giving her a bath, and he usually does a long bath time with her, a lot of toys and playing and singing. So I kind of have a lot of time to just get things cleared off, or at least get the food put away if we have any leftovers. So I'm just clearing off the table right now, and then I will get ready to read Ellie a book and put her down to bed. Ellie is just about to get out of the bath, so I will usually go in her room and pick out her pajamas and get her nighttime diaper all set up. What I'm doing here in this clip is I'm putting in one of these overnight liners into her diaper, which has been helping a lot. I think I talked about these in, I forget now if it was a Toddler Essentials or Favorites or something like that. I'll put a card here for that video. But these have been awesome for overnight for any leaks. And then just getting her jammies. These are a pair from Little Sleepies, which I love. They're so soft and they last a really long time. I think this is a 6 to 12 month size and Ellie is 16 months and these still fit. So I'll get that set up, and then I will pick out her book. This is actually a Lovevery book from our last play kit. She loves it. She's almost memorized it at this point. She points out like the baby when it shows the little girl putting away her toys, and when she sees the little girl in the bathtub, she says bath, and when she's brushing her teeth, she'll say brush. It's really, really sweet. So then she will have her cup of water and go to bed. Shortly after Ellie goes to bed, either my husband and I will finish up cleaning the kitchen, just rinsing off the dishes and putting it in the dishwasher, and this usually doesn't take too long. I prefer to have this done before I sit down and relax, because otherwise the dishes will sit there until like 11 o'clock at night before I go to bed, and that is just the worst feeling, isn't it? When the dishes are sitting there piled up and you're like, oh, I definitely don't want to wake up with these in the sink tomorrow morning, but I also really don't feel like doing them. It's best to just get them done right away after dinner. So try to do that the best we can. Does it happen every night? Absolutely not, but I'm always grateful when I just get it done right away. Typically after dinner I will take a walk, not every single night, but if I can, because it's so hot here during the day, I like to get my steps in. So I usually go around like 7:30, take a nice little walk down by the beach, and then come back, and I just cleaned up Ellie's toys. This only took like 3 minutes. I just kind of put them where they're just in the general direction of where they're supposed to be. I don't knock myself out too much because she's gonna play with them in a few short hours. So just tidy this up so that it looks presentable, and then I fold the blanket and just fluff up the pillows. Not really anything too crazy, and yeah, just get the house looking, somewhat decent for the next day. And that wraps up what a typical, I shouldn't say typical, I should say ideal. This is what an ideal nighttime routine looks like with a toddler, just enjoying time together, playing, eating dinner together as a family, and going outside and getting a nice little walk in, and all that. Making sure the house is cleaned up, feels good. Some nights it's not cleaned up, and that's also okay. Nobody's perfect, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel if you like content like this, and I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Bye guys.